What's up, my LS Crazy Amigos? Your boy Terry. Speaking from the garage shop once again. Here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. That's right. Yeah. So I'm sitting up there. Here's the story. I'm just sitting up there. I'm chilling. I'm driving on my way home and all that. And my bulb blows out. All right. Now, I gotta take this bulb out and we're gonna update it. We're not gonna go with the regular basic yellow halogen light. No, we're not gonna even go to an HID. We're going straight ahead to an LED. And what's gonna happen is the LED is going to project a nice white bluish hue, and it's going to make it nice and bright, because like Donald Byrd says, stepping into tomorrow, no, I want to see into tomorrow, and I can do it with the LED. So we're going to take this out and we're going to have that nice, like I said, it's going to give a nice whitish, really bright white look, and plus it just looks cool on the truck. All right, so we're going to get started with this. We're going to take these bulbs out and upgrade them. Let's do it. Now, to remove the headlight, you're going to have to take this grill section off, and it's pretty easy to do. What you do is you got tabs all along the grill on the inner and all the way down over here and underneath, which need to come out. So what I usually do is very easy to do. Put your screwdriver in there like this. Just pop them out. You see? And they just come right out. All right? And when you get down here, you don't want to put the screwdriver and chip your paint. So what I usually do with that, I have one of these body putty mixer things, and I just stick it in and just twist it out a little. Hold on a sec. And it comes off. All right, and at that point, you can just unpop the rest. Put this somewhere safe. Out of the way. Out of the way. All right, so now you have two clips. The one right here. You'll see, you got the headlight there. Right behind the headlight. Pull up. And you got one back there when we get to shine the light. You see it right there? See it right back there? You probably get your finger in there and pull it up. No. Sometimes. There you go. Pull it up. See it? And the light comes out. And you got one more. Get the light. Now, one of the best ways to upgrade your car is to update the look of your car. So that's why we're going to do the headlights, because what's happening is we're doing a whole lot of upgrades to this car that you can't see, and we're going to do a couple of upgrades that you can see, starting with the headlights. Okay, being that this is your regular halogen light. All right. Now, with a regular halogen light, you can't touch the glass, because what will happen is it will make the bulb blow a lot sooner, because you're getting your oils from your hands, your dirtiness or whatever onto that bulb, and it's going to blow sooner than it should. Maybe that's the reason why it blew. Who knows? I don't know. But but anyway, so I'm upgrading to a LED. Now, LED stands for light emitting diode. No clue what that means, but I know it is bright. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this LED light. It looks a lot bigger than this, but actually it's not, because you got to count it from the collar, so it's actually the same size. But you got the little fan right here, which cools it off. And the cool thing about this is it comes with this little Allen key, right? Which you stick in there, you can loosen it, which will turn this collar, so you can kind of have maneuverability how you want this light to be focused outward. And it's kind of cool. So we're gonna put this in. Stepping into tomorrow, I got both feet on the ground. Seeing into tomorrow, I got LEDs all around. Yeah, I like that. That works. I like that. Oh, my poet didn't even know it. I love Donald Byrd. I really do. He's like almost like a godfather of where you get your samples from. I definitely recommend listening to the Stepping Into Tomorrow CD. I love that CD. Anyways, let's get back to this. So now I got it all in, so you can't really tell the difference. You got your LED that fits just like your regular bulb. It sticks out a little bit, so you're not going to need the cover. And it goes and it just plugs in. You're going to have to snake this somewhere somehow. I'll make it look better than this, trust me. You know, like I'm going to move this around and everything like that. You know, stuff that I don't need. You know, get some double-sided tape and tape it up in here. Something like that, really strong double-sided tape. Make it look nice. And we're ready to put this back in to the car.